Mind your weight, all Jake? Okay. I actually can hear that -9 a little bit. I can hear that -9 a little bit. All right, Antonio, get ready to fly. Back up.
I don't think he's not gonna listen.
Here, hold my phone for a minute. I have a phone.
Well, I gotta take the picture too.
Ah.
Hurry, Josh.
You're good, you're good.
You're ready to go. Car's unlocked.
Let's go! There he is. There's the Toys for Tots. All right, you ready to cut off on Tunnel Road? Oh, there we go. There he is. See him up in there, Dad? Cool, we're getting right up against him. Look at that. I'm gonna show Dad and Mom this footage when we get home. Ready?
Yeah,
You filming?
I'm filming.
What's he doing? I'm taking a picture.
We have time. We're gonna just fly as soon as it goes by.
Oh, once it goes by, we are out of here. Once it starts going by, we're out of here.
True.
Want to film it going through the tunnel too?
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do.
It's got an SD40-2 in lead.
Yeah, we photographed him since the beginning thing.
Oh, cool. We've been chasing since Fuller Road. Yeah, it's flying right behind us. They really changed these bells up. They'll probably recognize us because we're following them. Alright, get turned around.
Well, if it stops in Belden Hill, or no, what's it called? The town? Bainbridge.
Bainbridge.
Are we gonna be able to see when it's parked or not?
Oh yeah.
So that result, we have a chance to take a good
It's going slow right now.
Should we go?
Go, go, go.
MTA people are going there too.
They're probably here to film it.
Yeah, but they come from New York City.
Oh, he's filming it with a drone. He's skiing it with a drone. Back up a little bit, Antonio. He's blowing at a railroad crossing. Here's the units.
That looks like a nutcracker to me.
Yeah, I know, right? Well, that's another second, hop right back in.
Yeah.
Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes.
I'll for it to get close to the tracks.
I'm trying to stay back as far as I can.
Yeah, right. It's just going fast. Well,
He's moving. He's moving along right now.
Yeah, well, it can't be going that fast. It's going to stop.
Oh, he's moving, bro. He is moving.
He's going slower. That way. He's going slower.
Hey, that guy right there is chasing the train. He honked to us.
Oh, no. He's going to take the corner. We're going to be rushing. Josh, this time you do me a favor.
Hey, that guy, the train on his truck.
Yeah, listen, you do me a favor this time. Can you slow down on getting on the car, not such a rush?
Well, we're trying to chase this thing, bud. I want to keep following this thing all the way to Bainbridge.
It's going to come to a stop anyhow, so it's not a big deal.
He honked to us. All right, get ready to go.
Where's that little nutcracker guy on the side of the...
I don't know where he's at. Oh, there he is. Oh, shoot. He gave me a thumbs up. See ya, Bainbridge! He heard me. He gave me a little 7 thing like that. Oh, see you, Bainbridge. Can't believe you can hear me.
Well, we're going almost the same exact speed. That's why it's...
That was the back car right there that when it came south right there. That first car.
Did you say it's stopping in Bainbridge?
Correct. All right.